Have you ever wondered how a computer can actually talk like a human? How it can write poems, answer questions, or even help you with homework? Welcome to the world of Chatgpt, the artificial intelligence that's changing the way we interact with technology. In this video, we'll explore what Chatgpt really is, how it works, how it thinks, and how it's shaping our future. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the mind of the machine. Chatgpt is a chatbot, but not just any chatbot. It's a form of artificial intelligence created by OpenAI, designed to understand and generate natural human language. The name ChatGPT stands for Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Let's break that down simply. A chat, it's built for conversation. A generative, it can create, not just copy. A pre-trained, it's already trained on tons of information. A transformer, that's the type of neural network architecture it uses, one that's very good at understanding context and patterns in language. In short, ChatGPT is a computer program trained to talk, write, and think in words, like us. So, how did ChatGPT become so smart? Well, imagine teaching a child every word, story, and idea ever written, from books, websites, articles, and conversations. That's kind of what happened here. ChatGPT was trained on massive amounts of text data from the internet. It doesn't memorize facts word for word. Instead, it learns patterns. For example, it learns that after the words "once upon a time," a story usually follows. It learns that gravity and Earth often appear together, and that thank you usually means politeness. By processing billions of examples, ChatGPT developed a sense of how language works: grammar, logic, rhythm, even emotion. But here's the key. ChatGPT doesn't know facts the way humans do. It doesn't think or feel. It's predicting the most likely words that should come next, but it does it so well that it feels like you're talking to a real person. When you type a question, ChatGPT breaks it down into data, numbers and patterns that it understands. Then, it searches through its internal model, billions of connections, to predict what words make the best sense next. Think of it like this. You start a sentence, and your brain guesses what word should come next. I want a cup of, and your brain fills in coffee or tea. ChatGPT does the same thing, but on a massive scale, across thousands of possibilities at once. It considers logic, grammar, meaning, and your question's context, and then builds a complete answer, word by word, almost instantly. That's why it can answer in so many styles: formal, poetic, funny, or technical, depending on how you ask. ChatGPT has evolved over time. A GPT-1 was the experiment, small and basic. A GPT-2 could already write simple paragraphs. A GPT-3 was a huge leap. It could write stories, code, and conversations. A GPT-4 and GPT-5, what you're hearing now, can reason better, understand tone, and even process images, voice, and web information. Each version learns to understand not just language, but meaning, context, and human intent. ChatGPT can do an incredible range of tasks, all with words. It can answer questions on almost any topic, or explain concepts in simple terms, or write essays, stories, poems, or scripts, or help with school or business writing, or translate languages, or generate creative ideas, or even act as a virtual tutor or assistant. But its real magic lies in personalization, the way it adjusts its tone and language to sound like you're talking to a human friend or teacher. That's what makes it so powerful and popular. Of course, ChatGPT isn't perfect. It can sometimes make mistakes, mix up facts, or sound confident but be wrong. That's because it doesn't actually know. It only predicts what should be said. It also can't browse the internet freely or form personal opinions. And like all AI systems, it depends on how responsibly we use it. So while it's smart, it's still a tool, not a human mind. A tool that needs human guidance, creativity, and ethics. The future of ChatGPT, and AI in general, is fascinating. Soon, AI models might help doctors understand patients faster, help teachers personalize lessons, and even help scientists solve global challenges. We might see ChatGPT integrated into robots, websites, or even home devices, making knowledge accessible to anyone, anywhere, anytime. So, what is ChatGPT? It's a bridge between human imagination and artificial intelligence, a system built not just to answer questions, but to help us ask better ones. Because the more we explore, the more we realize. Intelligence isn't just about knowing, it's about understanding. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about ChatGPT, hit like, subscribe, and share this with your curious friends. And tell us in the comments, what question should we answer next?